Looking for a lightweight, modern, and open-source alternative to Nextcloud or OwnCloud, just for user authentication and account management? Meet BewCloud. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about BewCloud, what it is, why it's different, and how to install it step-by-step on your own Ubuntu server using Docker. Let's get started. What is BewCloud? BewCloud is a self-hosted authentication and user management platform designed as a simpler alternative to bulky tools like Nextcloud and OwnCloud, especially if all you need is user registration, login, password resets, email verification, and session management. Built with TypeScript and Deno, uses the fresh web framework. Fully containerized, runs on Docker. Offers email verification, multi-factor auth optional, and session tokens can be easily integrated with custom web or mobile apps. Think of BewCloud as your own mini Firebase auth, but open source and fully under your control. Before we begin the installation, make sure Docker is already installed on your system. Don't have Docker yet or not sure what it is? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out my previous video on how to install Docker. The link is in the description below, and I've also pinned it in the comments for easy access. Once Docker is up and running, you're good to go with the bitmagnet setup. Create and set permissions for the data directory and configure the settings. Step 1. Create a directory. This command creates a new folder named Data Files. It's where all your Docker configs, environment files, and application data will be stored. Step 2. Set correct permissions. This is important so Docker containers, which often run with limited permissions, can read, shown to write the files in this directory. Step 3. Move into the folder. This switches you into the data files directory where you'll place your Docker config files. Step 4. Create or edit Docker Compose .yml following content or adjust as needed. Explanation. Maps port 8000 of the container to the host. Mounts your config file. Loads environment variables from .env. Step 5. Create edit.env file. These environment variables are used for PostgreSQL, host PostgreSQL, user, PostgreSQL password, etc. Make sure to use real PostgreSQL credentials. Step 6. Create edit BewCloud config.ts. Base URL. Replace with your public domain or IP address. Allow signups. Set to false if you want to disable open registration. Enable email verification. Set to true for secure email verification emails from the email address users will see. Step 7. Start with Docker. This will automatically build and run the app on port 8000. Step 8. Access the web UI. Open your browser and go to your server IP:8000. You'll see the BewCloud interface where users can register, log in. So that's how you install BewCloud on your own server. Whether you're building a new web app, SaaS project, or just want full control over your user data, BewCloud gives you a clean and modern authentication solution without the complexity of full cloud storage platforms. Like this video if it helped you. Drop a comment if you get stuck anywhere. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more open source and self-hosted tools.